San Antonio reached a grim milestone today. 300,000 residents have so far tested positive for the coronavirus. Good evening. I'm Aaron Wright.
And I'm Deborah Knapp. 127 more people checked into area hospitals with COVID-19 today. But overall, hospitalizations have fallen.
As Eyewitness News reporter Matt Houston explains, the third major wave to hit San Antonio may be receding.
The number of patients with COVID in San Antonio hospitals has dropped 8 days in a row. Since the third wave's peak a month ago, more than 400 people have checked out of local medical facilities.
It looks like everything's going the right way, but it's a slow way down.
It's a statewide trend, prompting hospital administrators in Dallas and Houston to say they're cautiously optimistic Texas has reached a pandemic plateau. But Metro Health Director Claude Jacobs says San Antonio isn't there just yet.
We've seen a steady decline of 2 consecutive weeks, but just know that those 2 weeks don't make for a trend.
He says he'd be more comfortable making that assessment next week, when the numbers should indicate how fast COVID spread during Labor Day get-togethers. Still, coronavirus patients account for a quarter of all the people staying in San Antonio hospitals.
We're still at a level of activity where it would be a big mistake to let up with our mitigation efforts.
Metro Health says conditions are improving, but not yet considered mild. Perhaps chief among city leaders' concerns, there are 20 children in local hospitals with COVID tonight.
Matt joins us live. Matt, what about ICUs? Have we seen a decline there?
Yeah, Deb, those numbers haven't changed dramatically at all over the last month. Tonight, there are 329 people in area ICUs compared to 359 on August 15th, so a month ago tomorrow. That trend, if you will, looks a little bit more like a straight line rather than a decline. I'm Matt Houston, KINS 5, Eyewitness News.